Hi students! In today's video, I'd like to show you how to draw a pair of festive Christmas bells and how to make them look extra shiny using those two shades of yellow crayon that you probably already have in your box. Grab your drawing supplies and let's make some holiday magic together. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. For this project, you'll need a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, a thin black marker, and a few crayons, including the light yellow and golden yellow that usually come in the larger boxes. Be sure to check the description below for a link to a free step-by-step tutorial. I like to begin by adding center pencil guidelines. They're also on all of my tutorials, and they really do help you use your entire sheet of paper. Let's begin by drawing the bow. I'm going to start by planning a circle that's going to go right here. It's going to be this tall and this wide. After that circle is done, then draw a bow shape on the right side, like this. And when that side is done, then just do your best to draw a matching shape on the other side. Next, going back and adding a line like this will make our ribbon look a little more 3D, so do that on both sides. Then we can finish our bow with little ends like this. They're kind of coming out from behind that center circle. Moving on to the bells, let's start with the one on the right. It might help to imagine a large upside down U shape that's kind of tilted. And when the U shape is done, then just add little wider ends at the bottom. Then we just need to connect those ends with a wide, skinny oval so we can look inside the bell. Adding another curved line on the side will give the bell a little more definition, and then we can add that little round ringer shape inside. The left bell is drawn the same way, we just don't see the top like we do on the right side. So draw the upside down U, and then those extended ends on the bottom. The bottom of this bell also needs a skinny oval, and it connects both ends. Then add that long curved line like we did on the right side, and the little ringer shape inside the oval. Now for the holly leaves that go behind the bow and bell. Let's draw them in pairs so we keep things even. I'm going to draw one on the right side that's kind of peeking out from behind the bell, and then one on the left side too. You might find these leaves easier to draw if you start with the center spine line first and then draw those curved lines around it. That's what I'm doing on this right leaf, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. The final leaves can have a kind of random look to them, so let's start with one that's kind of tilting to the left, and one above that's leaning a bit to the right. And a final one to fill in the space we have left over here. All right, unless you'd like to add more details, then it's time to get out that black marker and trace over all of those lines so we can see them really well. After the tracing is done, it does help to take a moment to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. Now we can bring out those crayons. If you like the look of my sample, then start with your lightest yellow crayon and color a stripe in the middle of your bell like this. Go back and forth and do press pretty hard so you get a nice bright yellow color. Let's do the same thing on the other bell, pressing really hard and making that stripe shape down the middle of the bell, and then filling in that ringer pretty much completely light yellow. Now, just fill in the rest of the bell with more of a golden yellow color. Press really hard so you get a nice bright gold color too. After one bell is done, then do the same thing for the bell on the other side. Finally, if you want a festive Christmas look, then I recommend filling in that bow a bright red, and the holly leaves a kind of medium shade of green. Adding a background color always adds a more finished look to any drawing. Alright, here's another look at my finished Christmas bell drawing. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make them look 3D with those oval shapes, and how to use your yellow crayons to give them an extra shine. Hey, if you enjoyed this lesson, then hop over to my website, Art Projects for Kids, where you'll find many more holiday drawing projects, including one for how to draw a candle and how to draw a poinsettia. I hope you check them out too, and I hope you keep on drawing.